Natural hair and conditioner, they're like CMS twins. Now go ask Stanley, I'm gonna bring you out. I like to feel my head. No one knows the rumors, if you step by yourself. This baby will be doing the whole work too. So this is what the first section looks like. So in today's video, we're going to be getting my hair looking from this to that. So yeah. Hi guys, my name is Chimdima. You're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're very much welcome. So I want to get my hair looking that way, and that's because my hair has been a mess for like almost a week now. So I need to fix it, you guys. So what am I going to be doing? First, I need to detangle my hair because I haven't done that since I loosened it from the braids I was carrying last. So I need to detangle it, and to do that, I'm going to be using my Mega Growth Deep Conditioning to detangle my hair. After that, I'll go in with my argan oil shampoo and conditioner. And last but not the least, this baby will be doing the whole work together with this baby, the leave-in conditioner. Now, this is different from the first one I showed you, detangle my hair, because this is leave-in. You leave it inside your hair, obviously. The other one, I have to wash it out. I just need it to make my hair soft enough so that it doesn't break while I'm combing it out. And in order to achieve this style very easily, you must detangle your hair, like no locks. As you can see, my hair currently is very, very. I can't try it. So I need to detangle it properly, and then I'll dive into the video. So let's start. Now go ask Stanley, I'm gonna bring you out and you. There's someone in the fire. Yeah. Favor, it surrounds me like a shield. It will cover me from now. In the stillness of the night, under the moonlight so bright, our hearts are joined in harmony, a love so pure and free. So by the time you start conditioning the second time, your hair would already even start having the curls back again. Listen, you can't compare this to the way my hair was the first time when I started. Now it's already. I like to massage my conditioner into my scalp blood. I like to feel my head. You're trying to comb out this time, doesn't take a lot. It's just easier to comb. See? So easy. When you have natural hair, you don't minimize your conditioner. You can never. Natural hair and conditioner, they're like CMS twins. This is like 2 days after, because after that my hands were hurting and I needed to rest. So this is 2 days after. My hair has been detangled and divided into 6 sections, and I'm going to have each section one by one conditioned, and then I apply the coiling gel. So let's go. So next is for me to apply the gel. So I already said I'm using this contour gel, if you guys can see it. So yeah. Now you have to go in with a lot of gel. And each one you take. My God. So yeah, after applying the gel, I'm going to pick it one by one, coil on my fingers, another one. Coil. If you know how like wet this is, so because I want it full, I'm going to try to make the coil small. Hopefully I don't get tired. Yep.
My heart's desire, your soul's eternal fire. In your arms I feel complete. Our love will never retreat. The stars above shine down on our love that's known.
So this is what the first section looks like. Ooh. I hope the back looks good. I can't see the back. I hope it looks good, but yeah. Yep. So yeah, let's do the rest fast.
The stars above. In the stillness of the night, under the moonlight so bright, our hearts are joined in harmony, a love so pure and free. You are my heart's desire, your soul's eternal fire. In your arms I feel complete. Our love will never retreat. The stars above shine down on our love that's known. The stars above shine down on our love that's known. The stars above shine down on our love that's known. You are my heart's desire, my soul's eternal fire. In your arms I feel complete. Our love will never retreat. The stars above shine
Hi guys, so this is the finished work. I'm not done drying my hair because I had to rush to church, but I'll be sure to show you guys a video like by the time I'm done drying. But this is what it looks like behind, in front. So yeah, this is what it looks like. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. Did I do a good job? What do you guys think? Was it an easy step? Did you try it out? Did it work out for you? Let me know. What was your experience trying out this style on your hair? And let's see, my hair shrunk bad, but I love it. I still love what came out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please, if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. And I'll be sure to see you guys in my next video. Bye.